Hi, in this week's episode we take a look at one of the options that may save you the inconvenience of having to apply for the time-consuming non-lucrative visa if you're looking to come and live in Spain and originate from a non-EU country like the UK. So welcome to episode number 103 of 2 Minute Tuesday with Hundon Valley Homes. So firstly, if you don't know what the non-lucrative visa scheme is for non-EU citizens, take a look in the link in the description for our video explaining it, as well as our detailed free-to-download ebook on our website. So, is there a way to legally bypass the 90 in every 180-day rule that applies to non-EU citizens when moving to the European Union? And the answer is yes, if you qualify for the family reunification visa. Now, firstly, let us start with what this visa is for and who is this service for. Now, it's primarily intended for families or couples that have been separated, hence the reunification part, in and out of the European Union. So obviously with any visa there are qualification criteria. So what are the criteria required in order to attain the family reunification visa? So if you are a UK national and you are married to a partner who holds a passport of a member state of the European Union, then you can apply for this residency permit or this visa. The catch is that the EU national must already reside or plan to reside in the European Union. So what if you're, for example, both UK passport holders? Well, now really is the time to go and have a look back on your family history. The UK is a very cosmopolitan country, and it may well be that along your family tree somewhere that somebody has married into somebody from a European family. And perhaps more commonly for people in the UK, this could be an Irish person. The fact that you have Irish history with your parents or your grandparents, it may allow for you or your partner to apply for a passport from Ireland, for example, or Poland or France or wherever it happens to be. And if this country, obviously it needs to be an EU member, then you have a back door that you've been looking for. Now, it's worth remembering though that you must prove your intention that it is to move to the EU member state, so in this case Spain, in order to qualify for the visa. And this also means that you would have to apply for Spanish residency as part of the process. Now, if you're a single person and you're able to apply for dual nationality, it's no issue at all. But if you're in a relationship, it's a little bit more tricky. One of the core requirements, obviously, for couples is that they need to be lawfully married. And if you're separated, unfortunately, this doesn't help you. You will need to have an up-to-date and correct marriage certificate would need to be produced as part of the requirements or the application procedure. And this is why it's often commonly known as a marriage visa. So let's just briefly recap on the requirements that you have in order to qualify for this visa. You need to be married. One of you needs to be an EU national or has attained permanent residency, in this case in Spain, and both of you will need to relocate and live in Spain. So it's not a temporary fix to bypass holiday requirements. This is for people who want to come and live in Spain. So conclusion, the EU family reunification visa is one way to bypass the 90 in every 180-day rule that now applies to all UK nationals following the UK leaving the United Kingdom. As always, we always say to our clients that this is an advice email, but you should always take the advice of a legal professional before embarking on visa applications. It's quite a quick episode this week, but hopefully beneficial to you if this is another option available for you. As usual, all of our details are on the screen at the moment, so if you've got any questions or queries about this topic, about buying or selling process in general, or about the area, then please feel free to drop us a line. If you're looking at selling, then please let me know. We can pop along free, no obligation valuation of your home. Until the next episode of 2 Minute Tuesday, we look forward to seeing you then. And until then, hasta luego.